To transfer files between your Motorola Moto G15 and USB drive, first you will need to connect that USB drive with your phone. In this case, I'm plugging it in to my USB-C port. Now when it's connected, we need to open a files on our Motorola, and then let's say that I'll be sending files from my Motorola to that disk. So we're gonna choose a photo, in this case this one, and we can click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and copy it too. And here we need to choose that drive. So my SD card is right here, and then the disk and the drive is there. Now I can choose where I want to put that photos and copy it here. And that is basically everything. If you want to move the files from your drive to your phone, then just select the disk from below, and here copy them the same way, but instead it's your internal storage or SD card. And that is basically, as I said, everything. Thanks so much for watching.